Hi everyone, welcome to Personal Finance Circle. In this video, we are diving into the top 9 investment apps to make money in Nigeria. These are apps that are changing the way Nigerians invest and are helping Nigerians build their personal finance. Also, some of these apps contain high-risk, high-reward investment and some contain low-risk, low-reward investment. So whether you want high-risk or low-risk investment, these apps are for you. Before I go on, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we teach you how to make money, multiply your money, and manage your money the right way. So if you love content on these topics, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now let's get into the top 9 investment apps to make money in Nigeria. The first one is the Trove Investment app. Now, this is an investment app in Nigeria that helps you invest in local and foreign stocks or shares with as low as 1,000 Naira and $10 respectively, and you get to enjoy a diverse range of investment options in the stock market. Now, investing in stocks means you are buying shares from different companies, then you become an investor in those companies and make money through dividends and capital appreciation. Now, on the Trove app, you can also invest in stocks, bonds, and ETFs, and you can buy shares of global companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon right from your smartphone. And this gives you the opportunity to invest in some of the world's largest and most successful companies. Now, we all know that investing in stocks can be quite risky, so if you want something less risky on the Trove app, there's also a feature called Trove Earn on the app that allows you to lock your funds and get up to 16% returns per annum. Now, the belief is that anyone can build wealth by investing small amounts of money regularly, and the Trove app also provides access to financial literacy tools to help you become a smart investor, and you can download the Trove app on App Store or Play Store. And we also have a tutorial video to guide you on how to use the Trove app. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, the second app is the Cowrywise app. Now, this is a very popular app which is known as a savings app in Nigeria, but it also has an investment plan option. Cowrywise offers a wide range of investment options, including mutual funds and savings plans, making it a great choice for both new and experienced investors. And you can do a lot of things on the Cowrywise app. You can create a savings goal to save money towards an objective. You can save money with your friends and with your family. And you can also create an emergency fund on Cowrywise. Also, there's this thing called Duo Challenge, where you can save money with your partner on the app. And one of the coolest parts of the Cowrywise app is you get competitive interest rate on your savings ranging from 8% to 15% annually. Now, the app itself is super user-friendly. I love it for that. It's designed to make saving and investing as simple as possible. And it also uses bank-level security and encryption to protect your data and your funds. So if you're looking for the safest app to save your money in Nigeria, I recommend that you use the Cowrywise app. Also, we have a video explaining everything about the Cowrywise app and how to use the app. The link to that video will also be in the description below. Now, I already know that some of you might have seen maybe different budget templates online or different budget trackers, and maybe you used them in the past and you're like, maybe it's complicated, or maybe the process is somehow for you to record your expenses. Now, I have a better and easier way for you to budget your money for free without any stress. It is called the Growny app. You can see it right here on my chest. Now, what is Growny app all about? So Growny app is the app that my team and I are currently building, and it is a simple tool that helps you to create a budget, track your income, track your expenses, and you also get free finance tips and even money making ideas from us when you start using the Growny app. We are giving you everything you need to help you grow your finances in 2026. And that's not the only thing you get on Growny. Now, at the end of every month, you get a report on the Growny app that shows you how you made your money that month and how you also spent your money for that month. So you're getting all of this for free and without stress. Yeah, it is for free. So if you want to check out what Growny is all about, it is not yet out, but you can click on the first link in the description below to join the wait list, or check the link in the pinned comment of this video. Thank you. Now, the third app to invest your money and make money in Nigeria is the PiggyVest app. Now, PiggyVest app is also a very popular savings platform in Nigeria. PiggyVest is a fintech app designed to help you save and invest your money with ease. Now, it offers a variety of savings plans and investment opportunities that cater to different financial needs. Now, PiggyVest also offers multiple savings plans that help you save money consistently, and some of them are the Piggy Bank Savings. This is an automated savings feature on the app where you can save daily, weekly, or monthly with interest rates up to 10% per annum. The second one, you have your safe lock, and this is a feature on the app that helps you lock away your funds for a fixed period of time, and you earn higher interest up to 13% per annum. The next feature on the app is the target savings. Now this helps you to save towards a specific goal like your travel, education, or buying a car or a house. And you can create multiple target savings plans on the app with personalized settings. Besides saving, PiggyVest also provides investment opportunities that allow you to invest in low to medium risk investment. You can start investing with as little as 1,000 naira and you can earn high returns on your investment. Also, the app's interface is clean and easy to use, so whether you are setting up a savings plan or you are monitoring your investment, it is super easy to use. And you can also get comprehensive insight into your savings and investment performance to help you make informed decisions. PiggyVest also offers flexible withdrawal options to meet your needs, whereby you can withdraw your funds every 3 months for free on the app. And in case of emergencies, you can withdraw at any time with breaking fee which will be charged. Now, PiggyVest also has the Flex Naira feature on the app where you can save funds temporarily and withdraw at any time. Now, we have a video explaining everything about the PiggyVest app and how to use the app. The link to that video will also be in the description below. For number 4, you have the Cable app. Now, it is an app that allows you to invest in real estate properties both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria with as low as $10. Now, this means that with Cable, you don't need to have huge amounts of money before you start to invest in real estate property. Now, with Cable, you can choose from a range of properties including residential, commercial, and rental properties. This gives you the flexibility to invest in different types of real estate based on your preferences and investment goals. Also, Cable operates on a fractional ownership model, which means that you can own a fraction of a property alongside other investors. This reduces your risk and allows you to diversify your investment across multiple properties. Now, one of the key benefits of investing with Cable is the potential for steady rental income and property appreciation. As the properties generate rental income, you earn a share of the profit. And additionally, as property values increase over time, your investment also grows in value. Cable also ensures your investments are secure by using advanced security measures and partnering with reputable property managers. So if you want to build a real estate portfolio, the Cable app is for you. For number 5, you have the Bamboo app. Now, the Bamboo app is a fintech app that gives you access to over 3,000 stocks from the US and Nigerian stock market. It is designed to make investing in international and local stocks simple and accessible. Now, just like the Trove app, the Bamboo app allows you to invest in US stocks from Nigeria, and in addition, on the Bamboo app, you can invest in dollars and get fixed returns on your money. Now, the Bamboo app is designed with user experience in mind. It's easy to navigate whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. I would say that the Bamboo app is a really good app for investing in stocks and dollars as a beginner in Nigeria because it gives you different options to invest your money, and again, it is easy to use. Also, funding your Bamboo account is straightforward. You can deposit your money using Naira, dollars, or other currencies, making it flexible for users with different funding preference, which means it ensures that you can fund your account in the currency you love best. Now, we have tutorials on how to deposit and withdraw your funds on the Bamboo app, and also videos on how you can invest on the app. The links to these videos will be in the description below. For number 6, you have the RiseVest app. Now, RiseVest is a fintech app that helps Nigerians invest in high-quality global assets. So whether you're interested in US stocks, real estate, or fixed income securities, you can do that on RiseVest. Now, RiseVest helps you to grow and manage your money by acting as a fund manager. And RiseVest ensures that your investments are professionally managed. Now, the app employs financial experts who manage the assets for you, aiming to maximize the returns and minimize the risk. The app is designed to be user-friendly, which means that you can easily track your investment, you can view the performance of your investment, and you can make any adjustments anytime. For number 7, you have the Shaka app. Now, Shaka is a digital investment platform that enables users to invest in a variety of assets, including local and international stocks. Now, Shaka is a fantastic app for those who want to access both Nigerian and international markets. It allows you to invest in global stocks and ETFs alongside Nigerian companies. Now, Shaka provides users with market insights, educational content, and research tools to help them make informed investment decisions. Now, for number 8, you have the Bybit app. Now, this is the first crypto app on this list, and the Bybit app is a very popular crypto trading app that offers users a range of features to make money with cryptocurrencies. Now, in case you don't want to trade crypto on the Bybit app, you can still make money with features like Bybit savings, dual asset investment, liquidity mining, and so on without bothering yourself about any kind of analysis. These are features that will allow you to make money by just investing and getting returns on Bybit. Now for number 9, you have the Luno app. Now the Luno app is a cryptocurrency exchange and wallet platform that allows you to buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrencies. Now if you are someone who is looking for a simple app to just invest in crypto and you don't want all the complexity of crypto trading apps like Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, and so on, then the Luno app is for you. Luno makes it easy to get started in the crypto world. Luno allows users to earn interest on their crypto holdings by just participating in staking options. And you can check out the app on App Store or Play Store. And there you have it. These are the 9 investment apps to make money in Nigeria. Each of these apps offers unique features and benefits, so you can choose the one that best fits your investment style and your investment goals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any update from us. And if you want to learn the 8 easiest ways to make money, click on the video showing on your screen right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.